Hi friends, today I would like to share the secret of happiness. Obviously, all of us want to stay very happy in our lives, but fortunately or unfortunately, there's a missing link of happiness in our life. And the reason I tell you, what a wise person does is, he never makes any kind of promises. A wise person never makes promises, because if you promise once to anybody that you will do this or you will do that, you have to fulfill that. Okay, so there are two categories of persons. One is a wise person and the other one is a warrior, you can say. Like if you promise something to some person, you have to fulfill it, and to fulfill that there are a lot of efforts and lot of struggles you have to face, So instead of promising, what the wise person does is, like you have some task and you need his help. Your work is to be done and you need his help. Okay. So the wise person's reply is, yeah, definitely it will be done. Let's see what's the God's wish. Inshallah. If God wishes, definitely this task will be done. It's not you or me who is doing this task, it's God's task. So definitely he will do it. A wise person's reply will be in these kind of words. He never says, yeah, I will do it. No, he never says like that. So he's always safe. A wise person, that's the reason he's always safe and happy. If anything happens, the work may be done or may not be done, nobody can blame him, because he never said that I will do it. Okay. So always the reply of a wise person is, it's God's task, or it's the universe task. Let's see what the universe does, and everything will be for the good sake. Definitely your work will be done. In this way he helps out the person. So in that, what happens is the relation doesn't spoil between you and that person, obviously, because he has given you a positive reply, a positive affirmation that the work will be done, but he never said that he will do it. Okay. Whereas the other category of person, I am coming to a warrior kind of person. When you ask him for a help, that the work has to be done, what he says is, yes, definitely I'll do this for you. Within these many days, I'll do this for you. Don't worry, he will say. Okay. So he has promised you that he will do this work for you. And after that, he has to put lot of efforts in completing that task, in completing that work for you. He has to struggle like a warrior. He has to put lots of effort. So what's happening there is, his energy is draining out. He is draining his energy out in putting efforts for the work to be done. He gets attached to that. So that's the quality of a warrior. And he's not much satisfied, I tell you. He's not much happy. Even the work is done with the completion, of course, out of small egoism. He will raise his collar, yeah, I've done. But that happiness won't be there in the person. So in a wise person who has not promised you, and if the work is done, an internal happiness also will be there, because the work is done. Whether it has been done by him or someone, he has put it on the external sources of God or universe. So that's how a wise person is always safe. And a warrior who promises has to struggle to fulfill that promise. So what I suggest is, generally in our regular lifestyles and all, never promise anything to anybody. And at the same time, give them the assurance that definitely you are doing this for a good sake. Okay, so definitely this work will be done. God is there. He will get the work done. So give him a hope like this, but never give him a hope that I will do it. In that case, your relation works out well. You are happy and he is happy, and you are not getting attached to that work. Of course, try to solve that problem, try to work it out, but here you won't be putting any efforts. So there's a sort of detachment in that, So when detachment comes, always there is a fruitful result only. When attachment is there, then ups and downs will definitely be there. Getting me? So don't promise anybody. At the same time, don't lose their hope, because they have a lot of trust on you. That's why they are coming to you for that work to be done. Okay, so give them a hope, but put it on God. Okay, so both are happy over there. So these are the two categories of persons. So wise persons, they are always happy. Wise persons are always happy. The warrior is never happy, because his energy is drained out always. In every task, then the egoism, I will be coming. Not only the egoism, lot of vices also will be entering him, because he'll always say that I have done it, I have done it, I have done it. So in that, what happens is the relation will definitely break between you and that person. Okay, so the information is cleared. So let's be a wise persons. Let's not be warriors. With the intellect, let's deal that problem and help others. Let's give the best hope to others, but being wise, not by being a warrior. Okay, thanks a lot. Peace, love and blessings. Om Shanti.